Ever wonder if you could start a side hustle for less than the cost of a brand new video game? Well, today I'm breaking down 4 awesome hustles you can get for under $100. Let's do this. I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get started. First up, let's talk home and cleaning services. If you're looking for a hustle with low startup costs, offering services like window cleaning, trash can cleaning, or patio furnish cleaning can be a gold mine. You can rent a power washer like this from Home Depot for a fraction of the cost of buying one. And with a simple .online domain, you can easily promote your business and book clients online without the hassle. Okay, so now we're on a .online homepage. I'm so excited about this. Over 3 million active online domains and counting. They have education, apparel, creativity. Look at that, be creative. All right, now, across North America, look at this, tech, travel. Oh, whoa, I love this. Okay, look at all the domain partners. Okay, GoDaddy, Domain.com, Wix, Hostinger. All right, look at this, supporting women entrepreneurs. Wow. Okay, now we're going to do a search. Gleam Team Express. Let's see if I can use this website today. Yes, I can. All right. This is going to be a business. I'm showing you how to do this. Put in my code, IYH, $5.99. Don't play. You can take off the privacy protection and look how cheap it comes. 99 cents. Come on. You can't beat that price. Let's go get the private protection. $5.99. I told you I could start this business for under $100. And I'm showing you the way. I'm showing you. You can do this with .online. Okay? First of all, you're going to need this tool, an electric pressure washer. You can rent it, $49 per day. Come on, you're charging $200 in a house or up, and you're going to do about 2-3 homes in one day. So you're making about $600 right there. You're going to need some all-in-one pressure wash. You're going to need it, look, for all the decks, the vinyl, the bricks, the metal, the gutters, $10.98. Let's do this. Still under $100. Let's check out our new website. Come on. Effortless cleaning is for your home. Wow. Come on. The Gleam Team Express. Experience pristine home environments effortless with the Gleam Team Express, the leading cleaning service in Hollywood, California. Come on. Look at this. This is how you do a website. This is how you do it. Because you got the domain name already. All right? The Gleam Team right, Express. You already got the whole domain. Now this is your website. Look how beautiful those windows look. Come on, you rented out the equipment. You have the chemicals. You have everything you need to wash. You're going to clean the siding, the windows. You could power wash the driveway. You could do the siding. Look at the difference. Eco-friendly solutions. You're doing a deep clean. Look at people's siding. Come on, you're helping them. And you're getting paid. Sparkling home cleaning, window washing excellence. This is your website. You even have testimonies. Look at this. Jordan Lee said you exceeded expectations. The Gleam Team Express did a phenomenal job. Melissa Carter said you transform our home. This is how you do it. You even have the testimonials. Shining excellence in every corner. You made these homeowners happy. Look at this. And they can reach out to you, leave their information. The Gleam Team Express. And it all started with your name. You had to have a .online to get it started. I gave you the blueprint. Now, come on. I showed you how to do this. Get your business started and use .online. I showed you the way for under $100. Now, I can't do it for you, but I showed you the way. Next on the list are digital and tech services like proofreading, resume writing, or online research gigs. These services require little to no upfront cost, just your skills and a computer. Just set up a professional website to attract clients and showcase your work, making it easier to land those gigs. One example is Wendy Weiner, who turned her resume writing skills into $1 million business, providing that the right expertise and positioning can lead to serious success. She charges up to $7,000 to work on your resume and even provide coaching. Now let's look into photo and creative services like creating custom vision boards or offering product photo editing. If you got an eye for design, this is a great way to monetize your skills without spending a lot up front. With a .online domain, you can set up an easy to find portfolio that showcases your work and make booking clients a breeze. Now let's make one for ourselves. Okay, so now we're on .online domain. From accountants to Zumba, there's a .online domain for every business. Let's check out Focus and Flourish. Okay, let me see. Let me take this out real quick. It's the name of our new business. Focus and Flourish. Let's search it. This is gonna be for vision boards. I'm giving you another idea for under $100, and it's available. Got the green check saying available, and they even give you variations of your business name. FocusandFlourish.online. I love it. I'm telling you, I got you another business for under $100. All right. So we're going to be making vision boards for people, and we're going to help people's visions come true. All right. So $24.99. Let's proceed. But we're not paying $24.99 today. We're not paying $29.99 today. We're going to put in the code IYH and let's apply it. Boom. $5.99. Let's get it. Now, I tell you this, if you do not want privacy protection, it's 99 cents, okay? All right, but I suggest the privacy protection should be on. But still, $5.99, you can't go wrong with that. Come on, I told you I'm going to keep it under $100 for you. You're going to have a business today for under $100. Okay, I'm giving you the blueprints right here. And now, by the way, you're going to need a tool to get this vision board company started. Use Canva. Why not use Canva? Look at all the different templates they have available. They have so much available. And they generate different pictures, different designs for you. They have different packages for you. Okay, so let's check out some of the pricing. Okay, now that is the yearly. So I told you I'm gonna have this business for under 100. So let's go to monthly. They even have a Canva free where you can get 1,000 designs. Okay, 2 million professional design templates. Okay, 4.5 million stock photos and graphics. Now, if you pay $15, you the Canva Pro, you have 140 million photos, videos, and graphics. Okay, so now when you get clients, you might want to go for the Pro. Here's our website. By the way, you can get templates from Wix, from Hostinger, and it's very cheap. Okay, they even have free templates you can get. So you put your template on to .online, and here's your website. I'm telling you, I'm keeping it under 100. Unlock your potential with Focus and Flourish's bespoke vision. Look at this, creative design. Look at that vision board. Personalize your success path. You can also hold vision board workshops. Okay, that's another way you can add to your business. All right, you personalize people's vision boards. You can even have vision board retreats. Have people go away for the weekend. They relax. They do their vision boards. They start to dream and believe and, they start to see it with the vision board. You can have all kinds of training sessions. This is how you do it. Now I'm going to go back to this vision board here I made. I made this for my cousin. He wants to be a wrestler. So I said, let me put some things on your vision board. This is a digital one. And this is how it looks. Train, eat, sleep, repeat. You gotta beat the man. You know what I mean? He wants one day, if he keeps working out, training, he might have a belt. You gotta learn all the tricks of the trade. You gotta learn how to do all the flips and everything. But guess what? You work hard and you do this every day and you practice and you train, you might get that belt. So I put that in the middle for that's the ultimate dream. I love this. So here's another business for you, the vision board business for under $100. And I'm telling you, there's people making some serious money making vision boards. They are taking in some money. They have all types, and you can add to your vision board business by having retreats, having different workshops. It can go on and on and on, but you're helping people get their goals out, get their dreams out, where they can see it. It's tangible. They can visually see what they want to do. Another business under $100. We did it again, right? I love it. Last but definitely not least, let's talk language and communication services. Things like language tutoring or even pronunciation coaching. If you're a wordsmith or have a knack for teaching, this is a perfect hustle that you can start with just a bit of expertise and a strong internet connection. Amy Walker made a name for herself as a pronunciation and accent coach after her viral 21 accent video. Let's check it out.
Czech Republic. Hello, my name is Amy Walker and I'm from Moscow, in Russia. Bonjour, je m'appelle Amy Walker.
She attracts clients from all over the world. She now runs a thriving business offering private coaching and courses, helping professionals and performers improve their clarity and confidence. Now, wasn't that fun today? I had a lot of fun. So, are you ready to take your brand to the next level? Grab your .online domain today and give your business the standout name it deserves. Head to the link down below and use my special code, IYH. You heard it? IYH before it's gone. Let's get it. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with .online. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.